Yeah, I start again. Hello, everybody. Okay, first, very important thing. There is audio recording and video recording on. So if you don't want to be seen in the recording, you should take a black screen, of course. Okay, I'm Silvia Salcuni. I'm one of the organizers of this conference, together with Adriana Lis, Rachele Del Guerra, and Silvia Spaggiari. And this is the EFPA conference about New Horizon in Psychological Assessment. This is the opening, and we have the directress of the Developmental and Socialization Psychology Department, and Professor Adriana Lis. She's represent today Professor Santo Di Nuovo, which is president of the National Association of Academic Psychologists. And then we have the greetings from Luca Pezzullo, which is the president of the Professional Psychological Order of Veneto. So let's start. I give you the speech.
Io sarò breve perché mi dispiace essere l'unica che parla in italiano, ma non ho preparato bene il mio discorso.
She will speak in Italian, I will translate.
Ok, comunque sarò breve. Il dipartimento che io dirigo è un dipartimento molto orientato anche in ambito clinico.
The department Professor Simonelli is is a very clinical and psychological assessment department. Is very oriented in this way.
E quindi siamo molto contenti di avere qua questa iniziativa, questa presenza che non è solo a livello nazionale, ma anche a livello internazionale.
So it's a pleasure to have you here, national and international colleagues, about these topics.
E niente, penso che abbiate un programma fitto di riflessioni, anche di impegno sulla pratica, per la pratica, perché l'assessment riguarda anche i modelli e anche, come dire, gli strumenti per la valutazione.
She saw the program, she found it very, very intense and deep about the effort for clinical and assessment procedure and practice, not just tools, but also clinical practice, which is very important in our field.
E quindi vi auguro buon lavoro, vi auguro che siano giornate dense, impegnative, ma anche importanti, e sono molto contenta di avervi qui perché l'assessment è un aspetto molto importante in ambito psicologico, e anche il fatto di condividere modelli di assessment, procedure, strumenti sta diventando sempre più importante. Per cui grazie per questa iniziativa e davvero vi auguro delle giornate molto proficue.
She greets and she thanks for this conference, the organization of this conference, and she hopes we will all enjoy the deepness about assessment in models and tools and clinical practice, and the sharing of these new knowledges about assessment. And she hopes we will enjoy, and thanks a lot for our presence. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah. First of all, just 2 words about what is the general meeting of this Congress, because I remember that the first information about this was in Ljubljana at the International Congress, when Professor Di Nuovo, I will read to you in a few minutes his address and so on, he told us that this would be the Italian semester for providing, indication, things that were connecting psychology and so on, and say maybe you as a group of assessment can prepare a meeting about this part of the Italian semester. And this was very important, but also it was a very big news, to organize a congress and something about a topic that is very important, but anyway, it's not a big part of psychology, because there are, but it is a specific, a very important topic. Whereas, there is a board of assessment inside the EFPA. We will go later about that. So just to introduce where this Congress is inside, and to give visibility to testing and tests all together in Europe, okay? Okay. And now I would like to read you the message of Professor Di Nuovo, who for family reason, his wife not very well, cannot be present, and send this message to our beginning of Congress. Professor Di Nuovo writes, "Dear all, I bring the greetings of the Italian network of psychological associations, which contributed to this interesting initiative and included it among those of the Italian semester of EFPA scientific activities. I bring also the warm welcome of the Italian Association of Psychology, of which I am president, and I am which part of the Italian network. The challenges of assessment, the central theme of the conference, are highly topical at the time when new technologies in telematics are changing the way of evaluating cognitive abilities and personality, and increasingly sophisticated statistical methodologies are being used for psychometrics and validation of assessing techniques. I would like to record with satisfaction the increasing intense collaboration between our Italian association and the European Federation on these issues, concretely demonstrated in this initiative. For this, I thank Nigel Evans and the entire board, and in particular Adriana Risi and Silvia Cerconi, who spent so much energy organizing the conference. As a president of the Italian network, I assure that this collaboration will continue and grow over time. With this, I hope and greet everyone cordially. Sorry that an unexpected family problem prevented me from being with you, but will be able to participate online tomorrow. I wish everyone good luck at the conference, and to those who are present, a good stay in splendid Padova. Tanto di nuovo.
Okay. And now, I will share with you and also with people at home the presentation of.
Hi everyone, my name is Luca Pezzullo, and as president of the Veneto Professional Order of Psychologists, I am happy to welcome you to this important conference on the new horizons of psychological assessment. As you know, the field of assessment theories, methods, and techniques is rapidly changing and rapidly evolving. And we are seeing technological advancements, think of AI, artificial intelligence, new research insights, new psychometrics developments that are reshaping and refining our operational methods. These changes offer promising avenues for mental health, education, and maybe wider societal implications. But as we explore these new directions, we must also be mindful of ethical considerations. It's our responsibility as a professional community of psychologists to ensure that our advancements are grounded in the well-being of individuals and communities. Over the next 2 days, we will work and discuss a range of topics that dive deep into the current innovations and challenges in the field of psychometrics and psychodiagnostics. This event is thus an international platform for us to learn, share, and perhaps build a little piece of the future of psychodiagnostics. Let's make the most of this opportunity.
Okay, and thank you also to Luca Pezzullo, which is not here with us. But I would like really to thank Luca and the Professional Order of Psychologists and Santo, the National Academic Networks of Psychologists, because this conference is possible and is they give us a lot of money to prepare all this conference, and this is why you can have your Congress kit and the streaming and many things, because they contribute with a sponsorship. And I would like to thank them, because their effort is, of course, very important to the possibility that this conference will be a good conference, not just from a scientific point of view. I have no doubt about the scientific part. Okay, so thank you. And
also we would like to thank you, Professor Matrevici, who give us the opportunity to publish all the abstracts, the book of abstracts. So it is very important for everyone also, because it was really a nice
contribution.
But also we have to thank again Silvia and her collaborator for all the format of the abstracts that are wonderful, and really they are really very nice to get as a format and as all together.
Yes.
For call for abstract.
Thank you.
And so on.
Thank you.
Now I declare open.
Yeah, and we start with the first round table.